My dear friends, my dear subscribers, and all of my relatives, in this I want to say as life is beautiful. One day, 1 hour, and 1 minute will not come again in your life. So avoid fights, anger, hatred. Be kind to everyone and thank God for everything. Wish you all a very happy Mattu Pongal today. Happy New Year. Happy Pongal Valthukal. Thank you one and all.